Alright, everyone, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025, at 13:45. And I just realized today, yes, Happy Earth Day. So I really hope that you guys are having a great Earth Day and can hopefully do something for Earth Day. But anyway, today we have our Day 2 outlook for tomorrow. So, tomorrow we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of Texas and New Mexico. And we have a marginal risk that goes from Texas through New Mexico up into Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, out into Wyoming, up into Nebraska, Missouri, and Iowa. So that's tomorrow's outlook. And we do also have a separate one over here for parts of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and just a little bit of North Carolina. So we do have that potential for tomorrow. So some cities that might see some severe weather tomorrow: Lubbock, Midland, Odessa, Hobbs, and Big Spring are under a slight, and Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Des Moines under a marginal. So let's go ahead and see what threats we have tomorrow. We have a 2% tornado threat tomorrow that encompasses parts of Texas into New Mexico, up into a little bit of Oklahoma, Colorado, and Kansas. So we do have those states under 2%. So we could see places like Lubbock, Amarillo, Midland, Odessa, and Clovis under a 2%. So that evidently means that we could see a tornado of at least an EF0, maybe an EF1, if it does become strong enough. So please be mindful of that. Tomorrow's damaging wind outlook, we have a 15% for parts of Texas and Texas and New Mexico for tomorrow. And we have a 5% that is for parts of Texas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, Missouri, and Iowa, having that potential for tomorrow. And we also have this 5% over here for parts of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and just a little bit of North Carolina. So, anyway, tomorrow's damaging wind, some cities that might see some damaging wind gusts could be Lubbock, Midland, Odessa, Hobbs, and Big Spring under the 15%, and Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Des Moines under the 5%. So 15% you could see damaging wind gusts of 60 to 75 miles per hour possible, and 5% you could see damaging wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour possible. So please be mindful that is a possibility for tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have the 15% for parts of Texas and New Mexico. And we also do have the 5% for parts of Texas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, Missouri, and Iowa having the 5%, as well as over here for parts of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina also having a 5% hail risk. So again, we have cities like Lubbock, Midland, Odessa, Hobbs, and Big Spring under the 15%, and Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Des Moines under the 5%. So we could see a hailstone of at least 1 to 3 inches in the 15% area. In the 5% area, we could see 1 to 2 inch hail possible. Going into tomorrow's summary, it's a very short summary actually. Isolated severe thunderstorms are possible across portions of the central and southern high plains on Wednesday. So there you have it. There is tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I really hope that you take today to prepare for anything that might come through your area tomorrow. Make sure you have a way of getting alerted, whether that would be your phone, your TV, your NOAA weather radio, whatever you have to get alerted to severe weather. So make sure you have that getting set up today. Anyway, that's going to do it for me. We will be going over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. Anyway, I really hope you had a happy Easter. I was very busy yesterday, so I could not get the day 1 outlook video out for yesterday. So I did it via a community post. But anyway, that's going to be it for me, and have yourselves a great day. Take care.